Hi everybody, this is Don Ferguson with Viper Consulting TV. We've had a lot of you guys write in, how do I find a great orthodontist? And so today we have with us an expert, Dr. Ron Perkins, with Perkins Orthodontist in Dallas, Texas. Dr. Perkins has been in the business for 30 years. How are you doing today, Dr. Perkins?
I'm doing great, Don. Thank you.
Well, Dr. Perkins, if somebody's looking to find an orthodontist, what does it they do to find a great orthodontist?
Well, I think they should first look for someone who's a diplomat of the American Board of Orthodontics, who is a member of the American Association of Orthodontists, and after that, somebody that really has a reputation for quality treatment, good online reviews, and someone who is acquainted or who is capable in all phases of orthodontic treatment, including Invisalign, regular braces, children's early treatment, we call orthopedic treatment. Someone who has a really good knowledge of occlusion, which is the bite, and somebody who has also experience in TMJ, or jaw joint treatment as well. These are all part of orthodontic treatment. And to add to that, somebody who has an interest in early or orthopedic treatment of young children to help in their growth and development. Also, it would be good if you could find an orthodontist who had a basic understanding of sleep disorders, especially in young children. Because orthodontists have an excellent opportunity in growth and development to help young children sleep better and develop better airways, which can help them the rest of their life.
Oh, wow, there's a lot to look for. Then when looking for orthodontists, I think a lot of people, they don't understand that orthodontists can actually help with sleep disorders and that type of thing. Well, tell us this. As an orthodontist who's been in business for 30 years, what kind of experience would somebody have coming to see you?
Well, first of all, I have a comfortable, homeopathic atmosphere and a great staff who is there to help my patients. And beyond that, they would receive probably one of the most comprehensive orthodontic exams that they've ever had. I have several patients tell me that once I am completed and evaluated completely. I'm going to not only evaluate their teeth, their bite, their occlusion, and look at all the orthodontic options, but I'm going to evaluate their jaw joint, their TMJ, and also evaluate their health with respect to how they sleep and their airway and how they breathe properly. This is very comprehensive compared to most dental exams.
Well, that's where you're quite different than a lot of orthodontists. And I think the thing that makes you different is, besides just looking at the normal teeth straightening and that kind of thing, what a normal orthodontist would do, you're going to look for other issues that might be caused by the jaw.
Yes, exactly. And it is so exciting to be able to help people with sleep disorders. And over the last several years in treating adults with sleep disorders, I begin to see a close relationship to how these problems develop in early childhood. And this is why it's so important for orthodontists to understand this early development and the things that we can do to help children at an early age and prevent them from having serious sleep disorder symptoms later in life.
Well, perfect. Well, Dr. Perkins, I know you do something special for new patients. Again, you're quite thorough in your exams. And before somebody comes to see you, what can they do?
Well, I offer a survey online. I call it a life-saving survey, which I think it is. And I have a survey for adults, and I also have a survey for parents to evaluate their children for sleep disorders. And if they will submit that survey, I will call them directly and discuss these problems with them before they ever come in for an exam. They'll have a chance to talk with me, and I can tell them what the possible options of treatment are if they do have a sleep disorder. But it gives them a chance to meet me over the phone prior to their visit.
Well, very good. Dr. Perkins, we really appreciate your time today and enlightening us on different things that can happen with orthodontics. Everybody, this is Don with Viper Consulting TV with another episode on how to find a great orthodontist. Dr. Perkins, thank you for being with us today.
Thank you.